Welcome back everybody to Investing with Ian. Altcoins are starting to wake up. There's a ton of different altcoins on the market right now, but if you pick the right ones, you're starting to see a lot of gains. So let's take a look at some of these altcoins, and we're also going to look at an interesting article about inflation. So everybody's favorite topic nowadays. So yeah, we're going to go over those things. Thanks for tuning back in, guys. Smash up the like if you appreciate this kind of crypto content. That's the goal, is to bring regular content to you on a regular basis. So looking at the coin market cap, we're almost at all-time high. So we're at 2.3 trillion. We can actually click on this and see that so in the past 3 months, according to this, we're right around back at all-time high. So yeah, everything's going up, which is just great. That's great by me. And then let's just go back real quick. Like I was saying about altcoins, Polkadot is up, 20% plus 20% over the past 7 days. Polkadot is a smart contract platform, just like Ethereum. So there's a lot of Ethereum competitors. And then we're also going to look at Telcoin, which is it's a little bit of an older project, but they're still around and they're still doing well. Let's briefly look at the Bitcoin price real quick. It's almost at 58,000 again. So I think the last time I recorded, it was right around that same price, because you can see we're on the daily chart. So every bar is 1 day worth of price action. Yeah, so there's been a little bit of volatility, but it's looks like it's ready to head higher up. I believe the next point of resistance would be at like 60,000, 61,000, and then after that, the all-time high is at 64,000. So it's blue skies after that. So I'm excited to see that if and when that comes. Well, it will, because it's Bitcoin. I mean, let's be honest. And then I just wanted to look at Telcoin really quick. It's up 15% right now. However, it did shoot up. Look at this. It shot up, like, if I can get this to work. Okay. Yeah, it shot up like something like 30% within the past several hours, and then it came down a little bit. So, oops. So like this is the kind of price action you can expect to see when these coins pump like this. So these volume bars you can see here, it was just low volume, just kind of going sideways, like going down a little bit, but mostly going sideways, the price action. And then you just see this big huge candle where a lot of whales or institutions were purchasing, so they bought up the price. And then, and then it just stabilizes a little bit. So yeah, if you're invested in coins like this, you can expect to see just big old gains like this at any given time. So that's what makes it exciting. I am invested in Telcoin, just I guess full disclosure. And also, this is not financial advice. Just looking quickly at Telcoin, the all-time high is at 6 cents, so 6.4 cents. So yeah, right now it's at 2 cents. So it's, if it goes back to all-time high, you'll triple your money. So if you buy in right now, if you don't have anything, and then you just hold your investment until it hits all-time high, you'll triple your investment. So it's pretty easy to do that around here. Try doing that in the stock market. You probably have a tough time doing that. Let's see. And then I just pulled up the website really quickly. Just Telcoin is just about remittance. Their website says, send money smarter. Remittances reimagined on mobile. So they do have a fully functioning mobile app that you can send money with. And this uses, of course, blockchain technology. This doesn't use, this isn't Western Union or nothing like that. So people around the world are using technologies like this. So yeah, it's great to see this type of projects like this getting traction and getting adoption. looking really quickly at my own portfolio, we're just about hitting all-time high portfolio. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? It's my Bitcoin holding remains the largest one at over 70%. So I am heavy into Bitcoin, which is nothing wrong with that. It's one of the safest stores of value in my opinion. And you can see some of the other coins that I have here. Okay, so before we talk about inflation, I just want to mention this article. The Bank of England is concerned about the growing size of the crypto market cap. So, the Bank of England's governor of financial stability says that crypto now potentially poses a risk to the global financial system. So, these old institutions and the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, they don't want crypto to thrive and succeed because it makes them irrelevant. It takes their power away. That really was the point of crypto in the first place, is to take the power away from from these old institutions and give it back to the people. So it's really, I guess, democratic in that sense. Yeah, so they're concerned about it. They're saying that crypto assets have grown rapidly from just 16 billion 5 years ago to about 2.3 trillion today, and thus could pose a systemic risk to the global financial system. So I don't know, take that how you will. They're just, they don't want crypto to succeed. That's really the main takeaway from here. But yeah, it's can't be stopped. Like I said, this network is it's worldwide. Yeah, there's really no stopping crypto. And then here's the next article. Talking about inflation. Inflation is spreading throughout the economy. I mean, I think we pretty much already knew this. The Labor Department said last month's Consumer Price Index, which measures what we pay for goods and services, rose by 5.4% from a year earlier. So, historically, the government's prediction for inflation was around 2%. So this is, almost triple that. And a lot of analysts and economists say that even this is very conservative, meaning that the real number of inflation is a lot higher than that. I'm seeing other reports on Twitter saying that, inflation is up over 10%. So I mean, and anything that you can think of and that you can buy with money, it's going up. I mean, I went to my favorite, fast food joint today to grab some lunch, and the price of my meal went up. So, I thought to myself, well, I mean, my my meal is the same size. I'm not getting any more food for what I'm paying, but yet I'm having to pay more for the same thing. So yeah, inflation is just it's that hidden tax that it slowly robs you of your purchasing power, and that's why we invest in Bitcoin and crypto to maintain your purchasing power and maintain your wealth and even build wealth too. So I probably sound like a broken record, but yeah, this is really something that if you haven't invested yet, you should really consider investing in, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Let's see. So here's a chart from somebody on Twitter named John Wick. Good movie, by the way. They're predicting that silver, the asset is going to go down in price. So, if you're holding these like physical coins or like the old, they say gold is old and Bitcoin is the new gold. And same thing with silver. Like this is old technology. I mean, of course you can store your wealth in silver, but I wouldn't anticipate it to gain much of any value. I mean, and then this guy's a reputable chart analyst, is much better than what I could. I mean, I wouldn't be able to draw or label a chart like this, but yeah. And then there's another chart that I actually did not pull up that shows that the price of gold over the past 10 years is it's flat. I mean, it's gone up, of course, and then it's gone down, but roughly speaking, if you would have invested, $1,000 in gold 10 years ago, you would have $1,000 today. So, are you really building wealth with gold? I'd rather take Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it. And then here's just one more tweet really quickly from Pompliano, Pomp. You should follow him on Twitter. Um, if you had taken your first stimulus check of $1,200 in April 2020 and bought Bitcoin, you'd now have over $10,000 today. So that's just over a year and a half. I mean, that's all you got. I mean, it's really that simple, guys. All you have to do is buy it and hold it, and watch your wealth increase slowly over time. It's not Bitcoin is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a don't get poor slowly scheme. So keep that in mind. Very important. Yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. If you do want to start investing in Bitcoin or crypto, I do have an affiliate link with Coinbase in the description. So yeah, stay tuned for what comes next. Bitcoin is going to be hitting all-time highs really soon, and I can't wait. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one.